Managing risks with professional property management. Engaging a professional property management company is one of the smartest decisions you can make as a long-distance real estate investor. Property managers act as your boots on the ground, handling day-to-day operations, tenant interactions, and emergencies, so you can focus on scaling your portfolio with peace of mind. A reliable property manager screens tenants thoroughly to ensure your property is rented to individuals with a strong rental history, stable income, and good credit. This reduces the chances of late payments, property damage, or legal disputes. They also handle lease agreements, ensuring they comply with local laws and regulations while protecting your interests. When maintenance issues arise, property managers are equipped to address them promptly. They often have a network of trusted contractors and service providers, which means repairs are handled efficiently and cost-effectively. For you, this translates into minimized downtime and tenant satisfaction, both of which contribute to stable cash flow. Perhaps the greatest advantage of professional property management is the stress it alleviates. From collecting rent to coordinating repairs, they take care of the details so you don't have to. Whether you're investing in a single property or an entire portfolio, partnering with a property management company ensures your investments are well maintained, compliant with regulations, and profitable over the long term.